Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my adorable Bohan mushroom lamp.
There is one word to describe this lamp, and that is whimsical. This is the perfect lamp or nightlight for nature lovers. I have this in my office, but it would also make a beautiful addition to a baby nursery or a children's bedroom. It's not too bright and it's not too dim. It's very classy since it's ceramic and it has a nice weight to it. To add in your bulb that's included, you're just gonna unscrew the bottom and then you can add in the LED E12 bulb that the company sends you, which doesn't create any excess heat, so it's nice and safe. You have a little notch for the cable so that the weight of the lamp won't be squishing the cable, and you also have this nice button control. Even during the day when it's off, it still looks like a beautiful addition to your decor. I really like this white version because it looks so clean and classy. So definitely check out this gorgeous little lamp. It gives off such a nice ambiance. It's well made and I think you are going to love it.
But that's just my point of view.